Good morning.
Good morning.
Breakfast. I like breakfast. We are the only people eating outside. No one else. Egg, 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 egg. Let's go find something that isn't egg. Trekking time! So we're about halfway up. How you feeling, Dad? I'm alright. Fine.
You know what? Yeah, listen. I am what I am today, 'cause I did it my way, nothing y'all can say. In this life or the next one, watch me, I'ma be the best of it. I am what I am today, 'cause I did it my way, nothing y'all can say. In this life.
Right. So this should be the second big waterfall. Holy guacamole! God, there's so much water coming out, it's practically raining. I should probably not use this camera.
The next one, watch me, I'ma be the best of it. You know what? You only got one life. That's right. One life. Yeah.
Okay, so we're finally up for that mountain. That was actually really fun. Really tiring too though, since I haven't done anything in ages. So yeah, anyway, that water doesn't look as clean as it did upstream. Okay, so everything's going according to plan. We've been back for about, I'd say, an hour. No. We've been back for about an hour. And I've just posted our video online, yesterday's vlog that is. And yeah, so everything's going fine. Since currently I have fast internet. As soon as I get home, I have no idea how I'm going to post these things. Because you will not believe how slow internet is at my house. Anyway, now it's dinner time. It's raining. The dad and the bro have decided to anyway go walking. We decided to take the car.
Yeah, definitely.
More, you've decided to take the car and force me to come along.
Of course.
Let's try this again today, okay?
What?
Do you know what time it is?
Bedtime.
No. It's time to edit this video.
This one goes out to my people.